wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Boom, 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 pow, pow. Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
We didn't see you there. We were too busy playing with our finger fighter robots.
I guess we should introduce ourselves.
We should.
Hi, kids. From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again. Today we're playing various hand games, aren't we, Olivia?
Exactly. Sometimes you don't need toys to play. We can have lots of fun with just our hands, like rock, paper, scissors, fountain, and my favorite, thumb war. Yay!
Thumb war? Oh, I think I can beat you in that one.
I don't know. I'm pretty awesome at this game.
Well, why don't we finish this one and play that one next?
Okay. Boom, 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 pow, pow.
Yay! I won!
I was so close to winning too.
Well, let me put that aside, and now let's do the thumb war game.
Okay, kids, do you know how to play thumb war? You grip each other's hand with the thumb out, and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. Then you touch your thumbs together, and then you bow your thumb, and then you begin. And then whoever presses the other person's thumb down for more than 3 seconds wins. You ready, Noah?
I am ready.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. Touch, bow, and begin. I'm gonna get you. I got you. 1, 2, 3. I win! Woo!
Let's do that again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. Touch, bow, and begin. Oh,
I'm gonna get you this time.
no.
I got you.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you won.
Yay!
I tried to escape, but I couldn't. You got me good.
Okay, last one. Whoever wins this one wins the game.
Okay, I better win this one. 1, 2, 3.
Well, you started already. You're cheating again.
Oh, sorry. I won't do that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. Touch, bow, and begin. Almost. I got you. Oh, no, you slipped back. Oh, no, you got. Oh, okay. You got me. Oh, you got me. You got me. I slipped out this time.
No, that's not good. I'll get you now.
No. No, I got you. 2, 3. I win!
No!
Yay! That one was a close one. Yeah, because you got me, and then I slipped out, and then I got you, and then you slipped out. But we didn't know who was going to win.
Yeah, that was a close one. So what's the next game?
The next one is... rock, paper, scissors, fountain, your favorite.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
So wait. You have to tell everybody about fountain because I didn't know about fountain before you told me.
So, kids, let me teach you about rock, paper, scissors, and fountain. There's rock, which is the fist.
Okay.
If you roll all your fingers together and make a fist. And then the scissor symbols is just sticking out your 2 fingers just like that. And then paper is your hand all the way straight. Right? Because it looks like paper.
Yeah.
Fountain is basically thumb and the index finger in a circle that you can look inside just like that. And that's the fountain. So what happens is scissors beats paper because scissor cuts paper, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then you have rock win against...
Scissors! Because rock smash the scissors!
Exactly. But paper wins against rock because...
Paper wraps up the rock like wrapping paper.
Exactly. Mm-hmm. And the rock loses against fountain because it falls into the fountain.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And then we have scissors. So how can scissors win the game?
Scissors cuts the paper.
Oh yeah, we had that already. Mm-hmm. But scissors loses against fountain because it falls in. And it loses against rock because rock destroys the scissors.
Mm-hmm.
And then how do we know how paper can win?
Paper covers the fountain.
Exactly. Or it covers the rock. So it can win two ways.
Yes.
And how does fountain win?
It can. Oh, the rock and the scissors can fall into the fountain.
Exactly. So I think you got all of that. Did you get that too, Olivia?
Yes, I got it. I'm ready.
Okay, so let's start the game. Rock, paper, scissors.
I got a rock! Yay!
Can you kids, do you know who won?
I did.
Exactly. If you said Olivia, then Olivia's won. Let's do that again, okay?
Yeah.
Rock,
paper, scissors, fountain.
We both had fountain.
Oh.
So that means nobody wins.
Oh, okay.
Let's do that again.
Mm-hmm. Rock, paper, scissors, fountain.
Oh. What happens?
Oh, I fall into the fountain.
Means I won. Okay, so it's one for you and one for me. Should we do it one last time?
Yeah, tiebreaker.
Tiebreaker. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors, rock.
I have paper.
Paper wraps rock.
Mm-hmm. I won.
That means Olivia's won this game too.
I'm on a winning streak.
What can we play next?
Ooh, let's play the move your hand fast game.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, this game is one person puts their hand on top of the other person's hand. That's how you start off. The person whose hand is on the bottom tries to hit the hand on the top. The person on the top tries to pull it away before the other person can hit it. Yeah.
Exactly.
Ready? Oh. This game, no, you can't use both hands. Only one hand, Noah.
Oh, I was cheating.
Yeah, this game is super scary sometimes. You never know when the hand is going to come.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Don't move too quickly.
Oh, you got me. But don't hit too hard. No, it's really nice. He never hits really hard.
Okay, it's your turn now.
Ooh, my turn. Ready? Okay. Ready? Okay.
Ready.
Oh, no, I missed. Now it's your turn because I missed.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you got me. Now it's my turn because you got me. Ready? Yeah? Oh!
Ready. Oh, no, you got me.
Oh, yeah, I got one. Oh! No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
I did.
No. Yeah, you did. Oh.
Your turn.
Oh. Yay, I got it. Well, I had 3 turns in a row. No, it was just being nice.
Well, let's do it again.
Wait,
whose turn is it? My turn?
It's your turn. I already had 3 turns.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Oh, you got me, and I thought I moved super fast. All right, kids, that's it. Those are our hand games.
Have fun playing those two against each other, either a brother or a sister, or maybe even your mom and dad.
And if you play all of them, tell us which one is your favorite.
That sounds like a great idea. Well, that's it, kids. Thanks for tuning in. Bye!
See you next time!
Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again.
Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
Please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below.